We're at the SJT Theatre again, and today I'm joined with Caroline Routh, who is the new joint CEO of the SJT Theatre. This is Caroline.
Hello.
And I've roped her in because I found her downstairs and I'm told her to come up from there and help me make vegan mayonnaise. So here she is, looking very lovely today. So it's our first time we've met, which is kind of lovely. Hey ho, come and make mayonnaise for me. Right, so today we're going to make vegan mayonnaise.
Okay.
Are you vegetarian or vegan?
No.
Okay. Well, no, that problem.
It's fine.
All right. Anyway, so it's a really simple mayonnaise, which is even more simple than making mayonnaise.
Mm-hmm.
Can you make mayonnaise?
I have in the past, but if you ask me to do it now, don't.
Okay, this is incredibly simple and much more simpler than the regular mayonnaise.
Okay.
And we're going to do 3 versions, maybe 4, using the same base. 3 sauces we use at Eat Meat, because all Eat Meat's mayonnaise is vegan now. So we're going to start with 1 cup of rapeseed oil.
Yes.
And into this, I need you to put me 1/3 cup of soy milk.
Okay.
Now these need to be at the same temperature together. All right, that's my other half just come in. So hello. Hello. All right. So in here we need to put them together. In this we're going to put some yeast. Now this is like nutritional yeast. So we're going to put half of that in. We're going to leave the second bit of half there, and that's going to add the salt levels to it.
Okay.
That goes in first. We're going to put the lid on.
Useful.
We're going to put, this is
Vinegar.
cider vinegar.
Cider vinegar.
Okay, so we've got half a tablespoon of cider vinegar.
Yeah.
And this way it gets a bit messy. Hopefully you've got a change of clothing today. So we're going to put this on. Hopefully it's on.
Yeah. Okay. What do I do?
You're going to blend it for me.
Am I? Is there a switch?
Yeah. Now you push it down and twist.
Like that.
Yeah. And it's literally going to be 5-6 seconds. Yeah. Good.
Okay.
And this time it should have
Never used
got.
one of those before.
Have you never?
No.
Not a smoothie person then.
Well, I have. I got a blender. I noticed you see that.
Right, so that's fairly thin at the moment, so we're going to
Okay.
give it a bit more until it's emulsified. So we'll cook to another bit and come back when it's thicker. Sorry about that. Right, that's the way to do it, and you're going to look so impressed when you come out.
Wow.
Oh, it's the way to television and stuff, isn't it? Are you ready?
Yes.
You're going to hold this against your right. So we've got it done, and as if by the powers of television or YouTube, we have mayonnaise. Ooh,
That looks nice.
Right, so it should be about this thick, not as runny as it was a minute ago. So this is an average one. So this is the original mayonnaise. So we're going to put that into a bowl, and then the next one for veganism, we're going to make it into a Caesar dressing. Now at this point here, we're going to add the rest of the nutritional yeast,
Okay.
capers,
Love a caper.
and we're going to add a squeeze of half a lemon. Including the
I was going to
seeds,
say including pips.
but it'll get to disappear. And then a teaspoon
Mustard.
of mustard. Because all these are vegetarian. I love the Frenchy one, the Frenchy mustard, because it has a bite to it. And I don't like English because it's a bit raw for my liking. So if you want to stick that back on.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'm blasting it again.
You're going to pulse it this time. So
Okay.
you're going to pulse it. Sit, and again. And that's it, done. So,
What's it?
getting these for you for Christmas now.
Ooh, look at that.
So, here we go in. So that's our Caesar dressing. You want any thinner, add more lemon juice to it.
That looks delicious.
And then the next thing is, at this point now, you can add capers to it. Sorry, gherkins inside. We're going to add those in. We're going to blitz those again. So put that back on.
Okay. Pulsing.
Yeah, pulsing, and that's going to become a tartar sauce.
Oh, and I do love a tartar sauce
So-
as well.
Are you gherkins still?
Possibly.
Just give it a good,
Possibly.
let's give it a good shake. Push it down like that. That's it, perfect. That's it.
Oh, you can
Perfect.
munching in.
So we go in, take
Yeah.
it off again, and there you go, you've got tartar sauce. To make this into our burger relish, we need 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup.
we not take the tartar sauce out?
Do you want me to do it?
No.
No, it's fine, I'll do it. You're the boss.
Well, I do like a bit of tartar sauce.
You're the boss.
You know,
It's fine, we'll do
a
it.
little bit.
We'll do as she's told us.
There's some on the lid as well.
So I told you, you see. There's a reason why she's the CEO.
Actually bossy.
Yeah, actually bossy. So we're going to do that in there. That's that one. And for this one, for bites, all right. In there, I'll let you do the honours.
Okay. Shaking. You shake. I don't trust my shaking. Okay.
And then if you with this you push down. Don't twist down. That's it. And this some more ketchup.
Okay. Shall I stop pulsing them?
You can do it again. Do that down. Let's get it a bit redder.
Yeah. No, I can't.
Okay.
Weekend. Oh yeah, it's not really gone.
So here we go again. It's one of these quick recipes.
Yeah.
There you go. That's it. So if you want these your burger relish a bit chunkier, you just don't blend it as much. So this is the smooth one. There you go. So this is also the same as a Thousand Island dressing.
I was going to say it looks that colour.
So you could use this for if you want to do like a faux,
Cocktail.
a fake prawn cocktail.
A fake prawn cocktail because you couldn't have the prawns.
Yeah. So we did a Burmese tofu, and the Burmese tofu, once it's deep fried in small pieces, tastes really like prawns, and it's really good. So that's another one of the recipes on the website. So please check that out. So we have them, all three of them. So we've got the mayonnaise, the Caesar dressing, the tartar sauce, and the burger dressing, which is incredibly messy. So, do you want to do taste test for me?
I love to taste test.
Okay. I have 3 spoons because I didn't prepare for this bit. That's
Okay.
really messy, that's upsetting me.
Which one does it matter which one?
No, start with the bland. So it's egg free,
Yeah.
does have soya in it,
Tastes pretty.
there's hardly any salt in it whatsoever.
Yeah.
As you go along, the Caesar dressing, it should be a little thinner. If you want to make it thinner, always add a little bit of lemon juice to that. But once you run it through a salad, it's really good. And this is what we use in our fish finger sandwiches.
Oh,
So, and it works
now you're talking.
really well on there.
Yeah.
So, sorry, this one?
Okay, so this is my tartar
Your
sauce.
tartar sauce. It's all right.
Yeah, that's nice and sharp.
And then our burger
handle.
sauce.
I can use the
Okay,
handle.
you can. But it's in the same mouth. I'm not sharing.
That's true.
It's a true story. Right.
Oh, that's proper Thousand Island dressing there.
That's good, and it's vegan. So it's kind of really weird, isn't it? Hardly tastes any different. So
It really doesn't.
that's 4 of them. Thank you very much for Caroline for joining me today.
You're very welcome.
I'm sure we'll see her again when I rope her in to get into another one for the next video, which is probably going to be our stepping out, which starts on
20th of June.
20th of June. So it's a bit far off now, but there's loads more to do at the SJT at the moment. There's loads of visiting shows. Come and have a check on the website. I'll put a link at the bottom side, and there's probably going to be a link at the top here for me. Okay, so we'll see you soon. Little quick one for you. Let me know how it went. If you do it at home, let me know how it went for you as well, and I will see you soon. So have a good one. See you later. Bye bye. I just want to say thank you so much. We've got nearly 700 subscribers in a really short time, and thank you very much. But please, if you're not subscribing, please subscribe and ting that bell so you get acknowledgement of all our new videos. And one more thing before we go. This show, A Picture of Dorian Gray, is going to be amazing in the SJT. Book your tickets. To find more information, go to the Germain Theatre website, which gives you a full description of the show. It's a three-hander, is it three-hander? Four-hander. And there's a huge mixture between a male Dorian and a female protagonist, and a female Dorian and a male protagonist, and a male and a male. So it's a huge mixture. So there's dates on where you're going to see each show, but please do. This is going to be amazing, and it's direct from London. See you soon. Thanks for listening. Do what Frankie says and cook food. Bye.